Hearing loss can occur at any age and is the most common birth defect in the United States. For very young children, the ability to hear is an important part of their social, emotional, and cognitive development. A mild or partial hearing loss can affect a child's ability to develop speech and language properly. The good news is that hearing problems can be overcome if they are caught early. The audiology specialists at Lake, Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery explain how they test and treat the many different ranges of childhood hearing loss.
The state of Florida has mandated that every child should be screened for hearing prior to discharge from the hospital, and so the pediatrician will refer them to our clinic for further evaluation. We test children of any age, and most of them pass their hearing screenings with no problems. If a child has hearing loss, then it could be a temporary condition that can be corrected through surgical procedures. Maybe they need to have tubes placed in their ears, and that usually can correct that, and then they're hearing fine and everything is going to work well for them when they go to school. For children who have more of a permanent hearing loss due to birth or some other illness that they may have had, then we will start talking to the parents about how we want to rehabilitate that by use of hearing aids, working with the school systems to make sure that there are speakers set up in the classroom so that the child can hear the teacher and not have distracting noises. Most of the time when a child has hearing loss that's associated with ear infections, it can be easily corrected. Occasionally there might be some scar tissue from years and years of infection that goes untreated and really neglected, and then we can see a mild hearing loss that again can easily overcome through amplification. The earlier we find out, the better it is, because it's a part of them and it's not something new that they have to get used to.
For more information on hearing aids and the audiology services available at Lake, Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery, please click on the Childhood Hearing Loss story link on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.